My First Plant is a 16-week intensive course where industry cultivators guide individuals through the process of growing cannabis from the comfort of their homes. The purpose is to help you learn how to grow your own cannabis so that you can become more self-sufficient and educated about the process of taking charge of your health and what you put into your body. From controlling your own environments and avoiding harmful pesticides, you determine the natural ingredients you'll choose to keep your plants healthy. In addition to health benefits, knowing how to grow your own medicine saves you thousands of dollars in product costs. Finally, My First Plant gives you the knowledge that empowers you to use the entire plant, from juicing the leaves and creating concentrates with the trim to discovering new ways to cook life-saving meals fortified with healthier cannabis. Take charge of your life and grow your health with My First Plant. Brought to you by the Cannabis Hub.